Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to graph about this one. So s minus number 1, that's the in here. S equal to number 2, that's the in here. The area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. So we want to find this area in here and here. So for the first one, we have the integration from negative number 1 to number 0 of the function in here. So from negative number 1 to number 0, this is about positive. From 0 to number 2, that's about negative area in here. So we need to put the negative sign in here. So we have the formula. So this one, we have negative s to the power of 4 over 4. This one, we have s squared over 2. So we have number 3, I will put in here. So 3 plus 1, we have number 4. This one, we have number 1. Number 1 we put in here. And we have number 2. Now we do similar for the second one. And we put the bounds in here. Now we put number 0 gone here, negative number 1 gone here, similar for number 2 gone here, and number 0 gone here. So this one, we have 3 over 4. And the second one, we have positive number 6. So we sum two numbers together. And we have 27 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.